Hello everybody, how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Target's employee account or Target EHR, which is known as Target Employee Human Resource Account. So if you log in into this account, you can receive a lot of feature which is provided only exclusively to the Target employee. Alright, and if you're not the employee of Target, you don't want to come to this website because this is just for employee. If you want to go to the regular Target website, you can just go to like target.com, which is for a regular Target user, but this one is for the employee only. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to search for Target EHR login. Once you search for it, you can see Team Member Service Target. You need to click on it, and it's going to bring you to this website. Now, once you're in this website where it says you are entering a restricted website, it means like you are entering a restricted website if you're not an employee of Target. So this is for those people who are not an employee of Target, all right? So this sign means that you're in a wrong website, but if you're an employee, you're at the right website. As you guys can see, I've already logged in. That's why it's showing me my login details, but I'm just going to log out quickly over here to show you guys how you guys can log in again, all right? So over here, I have logged out. So what I need to do is click on sign in over here, click on sign in again, and it's going to take me to the login page. Now, once you're over here, you need to enter your email address or your mobile number, whichever thing you find comfortable, just enter it over here. And then you need to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, you just need to click on sign in. And if the phone number or email you entered over here and the password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into a Target EHR account. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can always click on forgot password to recover your password as well. And if you want to create yourself a Target account, you can click on create a Target account to create yourself a Target account as well. And if you tick mark keep me signed in button when logging into your account, then basically it's going to save your login details over here, which means so whenever you come to this page, you're going to automatically be logged in into your account. You don't have to log in into your account every single time you visit this website, all right? That's what this does. So that's how you guys can log in into a Target EHR account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.